Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. When we talk about above-ground pool design, we aren't just referring to the plastic tub sitting on your lawn. Modern above-ground pool design is the art of integrating a freestanding swimming structure into your landscape so that it feels like a permanent, intentional, and stylish feature of your home. It involves the strategic use of decking, masonry, lighting, and greenery to blur the lines between the pool and the surrounding environment. Whether it's a sleek stock tank pool for a minimalist vibe or a large framed pool wrapped in custom timber, the design aspect is what elevates a simple utility into a luxurious backyard retreat. The primary benefit of opting for an above-ground pool design is the incredible versatility and cost-effectiveness it offers compared to traditional in-ground installations. These pools require significantly less excavation, meaning your backyard won't be a construction zone for months, and the total investment is often a fraction of the cost. Beyond the financial savings, above-ground designs are safer for families with small children as the elevated entry point acts as a natural barrier. Additionally, they are much easier to maintain and can even be dismantled or moved if you decide to remodel your yard in the future. With the right design, you get all the aesthetic appeal of a high-end resort without the permanent commitment or the massive price tag. To make an above-ground pool look truly high-end, you must focus on grounding the structure. The most effective way to do this is by building a multi-level deck that meets the top edge of the pool, giving it a seamless, built-in appearance. Use materials that complement your home's architecture, such as weather-resistant composite decking or natural stone pavers for the surrounding walkways. Incorporate softscaping by planting lush greenery, ornamental grasses, or tropical palms in large pots or raised garden beds around the perimeter to hide the pool walls. Finally, don't forget the power of vertical elements. Adding a pergola or stylish umbrellas provides necessary shade while introducing height and architectural interest to the water's edge. The secret to a functional and beautiful pool area lies in the accessories you choose. Start with high-quality, weather-resistant lounge furniture that encourages relaxation, such as wicker daybeds or adjustable chaises with outdoor-rated cushions. Lighting is equally crucial. Use a mix of solar-powered path lights, waterproof LED pool lights for a nighttime glow, and string lights overhead to create a magical atmosphere after sunset. For functionality, consider adding a stylish outdoor storage box to hide cleaning supplies and colorful pool floats. Finally, high-end umbrellas and privacy screens made of wood or metal lattice can turn a basic pool area into a secluded sanctuary, ensuring your outdoor living space is as comfortable as it is beautiful. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best above-ground pool design ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the modern desert stock tank Oasis. This design features a pristine white stock tank pool perfectly integrated into a multi-tiered mahogany wood deck. The contrast between the cool water and the warm wood, paired with minimalist black sun umbrellas and architectural trees, creates a high-end desert aesthetic that feels both private and sophisticated. 2. The elevated family entertainment hub. A classic oval above-ground pool is completely transformed by a massive wraparound white picket fence and a spacious gray deck. This setup provides ample room for a full dining set and lounge chairs right by the water, while the gated stairs ensure safety and a clean, organized look for a suburban backyard. 3. The brutalist concrete plunge pool. For those who love modern architecture, this circular concrete pool sits as a bold centerpiece in a lushly landscaped yard. The smooth gray exterior is surrounded by manicured lawns and pebble paths, offering a zen-like experience that feels like a piece of functional art nestled in nature. For the tropical timber-wrapped retreat. This rectangular pool is cleverly disguised by rich vertical wood paneling that matches the staircase and surrounding garden borders. Lined with potted palms and vibrant flowers, this design proves that you can have a full-sized swimming area that looks like a custom-built wooden spa. 5. The mid-century modern infinity style. Showcasing elegance, this oval pool is set into a stone-walled terrace that levels the sloping yard. The surrounding stone masonry and the proximity to the house's glass walls create a seamless transition between indoor luxury and outdoor relaxation, shaded by towering old-growth trees. 6. The backyard tiki bar and octagonal pool. This fun and functional design features an octagonal pool surrounded by light-toned decking that leads directly to a custom outdoor tiki bar. With tiki torches and lush shrubbery providing privacy, it is the ultimate setup for hosting summer parties and enjoying a tropical vacation at home. 7. The grand multi-level sun deck. This massive oval pool is the focal point of a complex, multi-level gray timber deck. The design includes various zones for grilling, sunbathing, and dining, all enclosed in a clean white railing that offers a panoramic view of the lawn, making the pool feel like a natural extension of the home's living space. 8. The luxury glass-paneled plunge pool. Taking above-ground pools to the next level, this circular design features a sleek wood deck with modern glass railings. The transparency of the glass allows for unobstructed views of the surrounding tropical banana leaves and garden, creating an ultra-modern resort-style atmosphere. 9. The kidney-shaped garden escape. This unique kidney-shaped pool is hugged by a custom curved dark wood deck and a meticulously landscaped artificial turf area. The inclusion of a matching garden shed and cozy lounge chairs makes this a complete low-maintenance outdoor suite that looks incredibly polished and professional. 10. The pavilion-style pool deck. This design features a long oval pool integrated into a tan-colored deck that includes a permanent metal-roofed pavilion. This provides a shaded lounge area directly adjacent to the water, surrounded by decorative grasses and tropical plants for a complete staycation vibe. Designing an above-ground pool is one of the smartest ways to upgrade your lifestyle without overspending. As we've seen today, with a little bit of creativity in decking, landscaping, and decor, these pools can rival even the most expensive in-ground installations. The key is to treat the pool area as a true room in your home. Give it walls with plants, a floor with beautiful decking, and a ceiling with the open sky or a stylish pergola. By focusing on these design principles, you'll create a space where memories are made and your home's value truly shines. If you found these above-ground pool ideas inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Decor Designs for more outdoor living inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're planning to transform your backyard this season. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new design breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.